Hi everyone, my name is Kaustubh Kale. Trust you're doing absolutely fabulous. This is a very interesting and important video on internal rate of return or intrinsic rate of return, which is also called as IRR, obviously abbreviated. You must have heard this term about a lot कि ये product का IRR इतना है, ये product का IRR इतना है. I want you to do this as an investor. You have to be aware and you have to ensure that you make the right decision, the correct decision. So whenever next time anyone pitches you an investment product, then please ask them what is the IRR expected. What is the expected IRR? Very, very important question. I want this to be implemented. Please do this. Now let's understand what exactly is IRR. IRR basically means the rate of return where net present values is equal to net present value of outflows. Inflows is equal to outflows. It's थोड़ा confusing है, correct? We'll try and understand this with an example, which will make it much easier for you. So what happened is, few days back, a client of mine, she said that she's investing with her dad in his gold shop, where he gives her a scheme where you invest 1,000 rupees every month, okay, and at the end of 12 months you receive back 13,000 rupees. So she is investing 1,000 rupees every month in like an RD or like an SIP, and at the end of 12 months she receives back those 13,000 rupees. She was asking me whether it's a good investment or not. So अगर ऐसा कोई भी इन्वेस्टमेंट आपको जज करना हो जहां पे मल्टीपल इनफ्लोज है, मल्टीपल आउटफ्लोज है, तो आपको एक चीज ध्यान में रखना है. यू हैव टू आस्क व्हाट इज द IRR. You have to basically decide on the IRR basis, keeping other things constant. Okay. Now here let's try and understand. I have put it in an Excel calculation. Excel will do it for you very easily. So if you see, on the 1st of Jan she pays 1,000 rupees, which is an outflow. Then so on and so forth. 1st Feb, 1st March, I have put it here. Till December, she pays 12 installments of 1,000 rupees from Jan to December. At the start of new year, or at the end of the first year, which is 1st of Jan 2022, she receives back 13,000 rupees. So ये outflow हुआ है 12 और inflow हुआ एक 13,000 का. Now if you try and calculate depending on Excel, so this is an Excel formula only which I have put, then the IRR comes to 15.67%, which is obviously a very good IRR. So that is why she can go for this investment. Like I said, assuming other things are constant. So whenever someone pitches you a product, ask about IRR. Let's take another example. So IRR, basically what does it mean here? To go back to the same point, it means वो rate जहां पे इनफ्लो और आउटफ्लो नलीफाई हो जाते हैं, इक्वल हो जाते हैं, that is IRR. It basically gives a lot of importance to time. What is the time that you have invested the particular installment? I'll give you an example here again. I'll explain it again here. So अगर आप देखोगे, ये जो first 1,000 rupees है, this is invested for say 12 months. The next 1,000 rupees is invested for 11 months. It's not invested for 12 months. So on and so forth. Next installment is for 10 months. Next is for 9 months, and this way. So it's very important to calculate the IRR, because that takes time into the account. Now let's look at another example where you must have seen a lot of these insurance schemes are there. Without naming the company, I've taken an insurance example here, which says that you invest 1 lakh every year for 7 years. Okay. Then there is a gap of 1 year where there is no inflow outflow, and after that 1 year you will start receiving 2 lakhs every year for 5 years. So आप 1 lakh rupees पे कर रहे हो for 7 years, एक साल का गैप, उसके बाद you will start receiving 2 lakhs every year for 5 years. Now what is the IRR here? So now ये सुनने में बहुत अच्छा लगता होगा आपको कि आपने 7 लाख पे किया, आपको 10 लाख मिल रहा है उस तरह से. बट अगर आप देखोगे तो the IRR is only 5.19%. What it means is you have to understand that there is a time being spent on the product, and depending on that you have to assess. So IRR is this. Next time anyone pitches you any investment product, just put it on an Excel sheet, check the IRR and see if you have a better product available. Thank you so much everyone. I hope you found this useful as well as interesting.